Today we are going to learn the verb lagna and its idiomatic expressions, specifically about perceptions. Hello, how are you all doing? आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? आज हम लोग लगना पढ़ेंगे और मैं आपको मुख्तलिफ जुमले दूंगी, उससे आपको अच्छी तरह समझ आ जाएगा. We use the different verbs according to different contexts. Here it's about perceiving or thinking or like, oh, I think, I feel. For that you use lagna. I feel is mujhe lagta hai. I feel, I think, I perceive it like this. Mujhe lagta hai, I feel. Mujhe lagta hai. Mujhe is when the ko marks the subject. Main when it's before the postposition ko, it changes into muj. So mujhko or mujhe lagta hai, I feel like. मुझको लगता है वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. मुझको लगता है वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. I feel like she's angry at me, she's mad at me, she's cross. मुझको लगता है वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. मुझसे means with me. Again, same thing is happening here. मैं when it's before a postposition से, it becomes मुझ. मुझसे, वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. These are two sentences. मुझको लगता है कि वो मुझसे नाराज़ है. A is that, which is a conjunction. Don't mind my voice, I'm a bit ill. You can use it in a past tense as well. मुझको लगा तुम चली गई. मुझको लगा तुम चली गई. मुझको लगा, I felt that you're gone. चले जाना is to leave. मुझको लगा तुम चली गई. मुझको लगा तुम चली गई. मुझको लगा वो झूठ बोल रहा है. मुझको लगा कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है. मुझको लगा कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है. और मुझे लगा कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है. That he is lying. मुझे लगता है ये रंग मुनासिब नहीं है. मुझको लगता है ये रंग मुनासिब नहीं है. मुनासिब is appropriate. रंग is color. This color is not appropriate. मुझको लगता है ये रंग मुनासिब नहीं है. So that is it. So I hope you have learned something. If you have any confusion, comment down below. If you want to have a private lesson with me, go on these platforms and contact me. Have a nice day and goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.